best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Everyone's got jewelry that needs cleaning, or even things like dental gear or old valuables that are too sensitive to be scrubbed by hand. The perfect tool is an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, and I'll explain everything you need to know about these fantastic machines. Let's start with my favorite ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, and then we'll proceed into the explanations. Number 1. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. The Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is the best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner for just about any jewelry cleaning job. It effortlessly cleans delicate items and valuables using only water. This portable cleaner comes in handy to clean off dirt and grime or any oil residues from watches, gems, and eyeglasses as well. This ultrasonic cleaner comes with a removable plastic cleaning basket and a digital display. Its 20 ounces, 600 ml capacity stainless steel tank allows it to hold many items to be cleaned at once. It creates 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic waves, which generate tiny vacuum bubbles to reach intricate places of each item. These waves delicately cleanse each item without dislodging their settings. This makes it a perfect cleaning tool for hard-to-reach places. It comes with an easy-to-operate 5 pre-defined cleanse cycles: 90, 180, 280, 380 and 480 seconds. An auto-off after completion feature safeguards this ultrasonic cleaner from overheating. This compact cleaner works well with plain water without the use of any external chemicals or solutions, but you can add a little dish or hand soap if you desire. It works best as an economic cleaner, giving sparkling results. The ultrasonic vibration created by this cleaner makes it a very quiet cleaning gadget. It is a popular choice for the home and businesses alike. Pros: compact and portable, easy to use digital display, spacious basket for items. Cons: overusage can reduce lifespan. Number 2. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Life Basis Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Life Basis Ultrasonic Cleaner CDS 100 can safely clean dirty, discolored and tarnished jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and a whole range of other items in a matter of minutes by using just water. For more intensive cleaning, you can add a little dish soap. It is a powerful machine which generates 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic waves, which are gentle enough to not cause any damage to your valuables and yet provide good quality cleaning. There are 5 preset cleaning cycles of 90, 180, 300, 480 and 600 seconds, along with a convenient auto shut-off. The tank has a capacity of 20 ounces, 600 milliliters, and a white interior which lets you fit in a wide range of items. It comes along with a basket to ensure that the items are contained. The 5 cleaning modes allow you to choose a light cleaning mode for fragile items like glasses, or a more thorough cleaning mode for items that really need a deep clean. It has an additional watch holder accessory for laying down watches to their full length. This allows for hard-to-reach nooks to be well exposed for cleaning. Another nice feature is the detachable power cord, which can easily be replaced if it breaks or shorts out. Life Basis also offers a 1-year warranty in case you have any issues with the unit. Pros: easy to operate, low price point, portable and easy to store. Cons: takes more time than expected. Number 3. Portable Household Ultrasonic Cleaning. The neat feature that I truly liked about this ultrasonic cleaner is that unlike its rivals, this can use plain tap water without any issues. The reason why other cleaners require users to use either distilled or deionized water is that there are dissolved gases in tap water that can tarnish the items it is supposed to clean. This product has a degas feature that removes all of these unwanted gases in tap water to make it safe to use. I am also pleased that this product has touch controls instead of tactile buttons. This makes this cleaner more water resistant and safer to use. Touch controls are also more durable than tactile switches because there are no moving parts. Hence, there is nothing that will wear out. Unlike other cleaners that also use 42 kHz, this product does the job more gently, thus leaving your valuable items sparkling clean and fully intact. Other cleaners are not suitable for use on prescription glasses as they can remove the film coating of the lenses. This is not a problem for this product. This also has quite a large cleaning chamber with a volume capacity of 600 milliliters. It is also wide enough to accommodate flatware and other long items. Pros: can clean thoroughly yet gently, very easy to use even without consulting the manual, suitable for cleaning different items that are difficult to clean by hand. Cons: the touch controls do not respond when slightly wet. Number 4. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Magnasonic Jewelry Cleaner machine is one of the best budget devices in the market. This device is used by many jewelers, opticians, collectors, dental labs, dentists, artists. It can clean precious and semi-precious gems, rubies, sapphire, emeralds, Quartz. If you are a professional jeweler, you may frequently use a loupe to investigate precious metals. Here you can check best jewelers' loupe reviews and buying guide. This best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is using sound waves, ultrasonic cleaning technology, so it doesn't make any noise. You can easily avoid expensive service by using this Magnasonic professional ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. It consumes low electric power. All types of ornaments, like the smaller significant size of ornaments, can be cleaned by using it. For better results, you may need to add some detergent at the beginning of the washing process. This Magnasonic jewelry cleaner can clean all types of precious stones. By using its latest technology, you can wash all kinds of dirt and germs from the ornaments, watches, glasses, eyeglasses, dentures, razors, rings, earrings, coins, DVDs, CDs, and more things. It produces 42,000 ultrasonic energy waves per second, and its pre-built 3 minutes is enough to clean your precious jewelry. It is straightforward to run, so we hope you will not face any problem using it. Pros: powerful waves don't make the embarrassing sound during cleaning time. Long-lasting machine. Cons: this is great for bigger items, but smaller earrings, rings need a smaller cup. Number 5. Sonic Wave CD2800 Ultrasonic Jewelry and Cleaner. The Sonic Wave CD2800 Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is one of the best jewelry cleaners for diamonds. It removes dust and residue with high-frequency sonic waves, making jewelry shine in minutes. It has a plastic basket to hold items that require delicate cleaning. This ultrasonic cleaner is white with a great rim, and it comes with a transparent lid. The efficient and modern design allow it to be very portable. The Sonic Wave CD2800 produces 42,000 Hz of ultrasonic waves per second without making a lot of noise. It has a very simple digital display, making it easy to use for everyone. It also has a built-in stainless steel tank, which is spacious and accommodates 20 ounces fluid. Plain water is sufficient to use for the basic cleaning of valuables from dentures to diamonds. A variety of items can be easily cleaned in the Yesker and brought to their original shine. It comes with only one 3-minute cycle setting, so repeat cycles have to be started manually. The Yesker's sonic waves naturally create microscopic bubbles which enter every corner of your jewelry and wipe away any dirt and grime. Cleaning fluid can be added for extra shine. The size of the tank is suitable to hold eyeglasses and large jewel sets. The Yesker has a solid-state circuit, ensuring that the device lasts long, even with daily use. Pros: good for daily use, basically silent, transparent lid. Cons: hard to clean tank,